Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to create a Gmail account in your mobile phone. So I'm using an Android device, so Gmail application is already pre-downloaded in your mobile phone. So just simply click on the application and you will see a page like this when you click on the application. So there are many options for creating an email. So you need to click on the Google, and after clicking on Google, it will be checking info and then you'll be taken to a page where you can have an option to sign in or to create an account. So at the bottom you can see there is an option for creating a new account. So click on create account and they will ask you if you want to create it for yourself or for your business. So do as preferred as you want. So I'm going to click on for myself, and they'll ask you for some personal information like your name. So just provide it with your name and your surname and click on next. So they'll also ask you for your birth date. So I'm going to give it mine and year and your gender. So give it the gender that you are and click on next again. So after this, they'll ask you to make a username. So you can create any username or nicknames that you want, which will be your name for the official Gmail account that is going to be made. So I'm going to provide it my own name and some numbers pattern, because many of people have been making Gmail accounts, so your name gets similar with other people, and in this way the Google cannot access and make the same username for your email. So you can just put some number patterns and click on next. And now you need to create a password for your email, and make sure that you create a strong password and password that you will remember as well. So I'm just going to create a password and click on next. And now they'll ask you for your phone number in order to confirm that you're not a robot. So give it your phone number. With your phone number, where they'll send you a verification code, and click on next. And by entering that verification code, your account will be made. So as I'd given my own phone number to this application, so they've already verified my account, and now you can add your phone number to the account as well. So click on next. And I need to review my account info, and I've done that. So again, click on next, and now you will be seeing a privacy and terms pages where there are a lot of privacy and terms. So you can read all the information here and terms of services, and if you agree to it, then you can click on I agree, that is at the bottom of the page. And after agreeing to all the terms and conditions and providing it with the necessary information, Google service will now be activated in your mobile phone, and your Gmail is already set up. So what you can do is again click on Google, and now you can log in into it with all the information that you did and enjoy.